Now, if you want to keep track on some journals, but however you forgot the author, the article name, the year, or if you really want just to search for a particular author, so this tool I will be presenting would be called Harzing's Publish or Perish. So let's head over to our browser and download this application. Their website, click download for Windows to get the installer. So once the installer is there, you can immediately install it. So once you click on that download, there will be another download information on your browser. So just click on Publish or Perish installer for Windows so that you can download and keep the file. So upon downloading your file, head over to the installer and simply install Harzing. Once Harzing is installed, you can look for the app on your Windows, which is Publish or Perish. Now this is the interface of Harzing's Publish or Perish app. Notice that you have queries, you have multiple panels for this one, and another important one is this areas here. So this will be your sources. For our tutorial, we will be utilizing free sources, which would be Google Scholar. So we have discussed Google Scholar before, and for this particular tutorial, we will be using again Google Scholar to search for that particular document you would want. So we will be clicking Google Scholar. So you can see you will be having a Google Scholar query panel to the author. So say for example, you would want to search for an author named Lewis. So if you want to search that, you can actually click on lookup. And also if you want to have a year not later than 2015 up to 2020, you can actually put that there. So right now, we will try to click on Lookup, and it will be utilizing Google Scholar to search for that particular author, which is Lewis. Now, what would happen is there will be a result on your screen, which will be presented and updated. So if you think you have enough list, you can always cancel this one and not wait for it to finish. Okay, so it is okay to cancel this one. But if you want to have everything, you can opt to finish this one. So for the sake of this tutorial, we will be cutting the search. Let's press cancel. Okay, don't worry for the error. It's okay. Now you will be having your results. Notice that there would be books, there would be HTML. Now HTML or PDF files would mean that it is a journal. For example, this one, the whale optimization algorithm. It's also with A. Lewis. Now, what would you want to do if you have found your particular author or article? You just have to right-click and open article in your browser. So it will immediately open an article inside your browser. Now, you will have the journal. And over here again, look for the DOI and you can use Sci-Hub. As simple as that. So if you want to use other queries, you could always look for a journal or a word from that article you would want to use, any of the words, none of the words, or a phrase. If you want to have another query, you could always look for an article, say management software. There you have it. Again, you don't need to end the progress. You can always cancel. Another neat trick on using your Harzing is that you can always copy this particular reference, just like what Google Scholar do with their double quote. So you have to right-click on this one. Say, for example, you would want this scheme of global Scrum management software. You would want to have that APA citation. So what you would do is to right-click, go to Copy to Clipboard, and right there, select as APA reference. Now, it will be copied on your clipboard. Now, you head over to your notepad or Word or any document, and you would be able to look for that reference. As you can see, we already have the reference, as easy as few clicks. So that's how you use Harzing's Publish or Perish app.